Assalamu alaikum and welcome. You're watching Real English News along with your host Sharif Akram Yamani. Let's have a look on today's top headlines. KCR to take up aerial survey of Pharma City land today. Harish Rao slammed Chandrababu Naidu. Hyderabad ma'am who returned from Nigeria test negative for Ebola. NCP chief Sharda Pawar injured rushed to Mumbai hospital. Dirty dance watch JD MLA Shyam Bahadur Singh vulgarity with a bar dancer. Car bomb blast near home of Iranian ambassador in Yemen. Close on the heels of announcing new industrial policy and legislation at supporting its simplicity, the process of setting up industries in Telangana. Chief Minister, that is K. Chandrasekhar Rao, will take up an aerial survey of government land identified for setting up Pharma City on Wednesday. He will accompanied by a representative of the Bulk Drug Manufacturing Association, that is BDMA, and big wings of the pharmaceutical industries. Official sources stated that the Chief Minister will first take aerial survey of about 2,000 acres government land identified for the purpose between Muchurala, that is Rangarandi, and Kattal, Mehbubnagar villages. The Chief Minister and other would land at 1-2 places for physical inspection after having aerial view of the site from helicopter, according to the sources. The district collector of both Rangarandi and Mehbubnagar were already directed to arrange the helipads for landing of the chopper. Asked whether the site was also being considered for the proposed film city, sources responded in negative. Asked about the significance of the aerial survey, the senior bureaucrat said it is and responded in negative. Also, the industry that the Chief Minister really means business and he would not stop after announcing a policy. The Chief Minister personal involvement in giving a push to the policy and to spur industrial growth will boost the confidence among the entrepreneurs, senior official explained. About the site identified for Pharma City, the sources said infrastructure would be developed and also would be seen, according to the senior official explained. About the site, a minister and the industry captain. It had no road connectivity now, though it lies between the roads of Srisalam and Nagarjuna Sagar. It had some rocky terrain, but it could be used for developing green belts as a 20 to 30% of land in such layout to had an earmark for the purpose. There were new technologies available now with the zero liquid effluent and the solid effluent sludge from the Pharma City would be utilized by cement and a few other industries, according to a source's note. TRS Minister Harish Rao slammed the Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister and Chandrababu Naidu regarding the drinking water issue in Pearl City. Chandrababu Naidu is envious of Hyderabad, as it was named as second best city across the world to visit in the year 2015. Hence, he is chalking out a conspiracy to deprive Telangana as its share of drinking water. Chandrababu Naidu only aimed to witness the day of brand Hyderabad takes beating. Naidu claims he is the sole person behind Hyderabad development. Preaches Hyderabad belong to everyone, calls it a joint capital. Both Telangana and Andhra Pradesh are like two eyes for him, but his actions were contrast to what he speaks, describing the pro-Telangana statement of Naidu's as nothing but poisonous hug. Harish Rao accused Chandrababu Naidu of writing letters to center and lobbying in New Delhi targeting drinking water supply in Hyderabad. He also alleged that Andhra CM had never bothered to resolve water crisis in Hyderabad city.
చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు తెలంగాణ విషయంలో అనేక అన్యాయాలు చేసినాడు. రాత్రికి రాత్రి పోలవరం ముంపులో భాగంగా 7 మండలాలను కలుపుకోవడం జరిగింది. లోయర్ సీలేరు విద్యుత్ ఉత్పాదన ప్లాంట్ను ఆంధ్రాలో కలుపుకొని ఒక్క యూనిట్ కరెంటు కూడా ఇవాళ తెలంగాణకు లోయర్ సీలేరులో ఇవ్వడం లేదు. పార్లమెంటు విభజన హక్కు చట్టం పార్లమెంట్లో చట్టం చేసిన న్యాయబద్ధంగా తెలంగాణకు రావాల్సిన 54% కరెంటు చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు ఇవ్వడం లేదు. హైదరాబాద్లో గవర్నర్ పాలన కోసం లేఖలు రాసి ఒకవైపు కుట్రలు చేస్తా ఉన్నాడు. నిన్నగాక మొన్న హైదరాబాద్లో ఉన్నటువంటి నాక్కు తనకు తానే చైర్మన్గా ప్రకటించుకున్నాడు చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు గారు.
A man from Hyderabad whose sample was sent for testing a measure of caution against Ebola after his return from Nigeria tested negative for the disease, an official said today. The 52-year-old sample was sent to New Delhi-based National Center for Diseases Control, that is NCDC, to check for possible Ebola infections. Day after his return from Nigeria last month, the most popular country in Africa had reported several Ebola-related deaths a few months ago, but now free of deadly virus transmission. These samples have tested negative, so no need for concern as there is no Ebola. Dr. Subhakar, Nodal Office for Infectious Disease like Ebola, said here, quoting an official report from NCDC, patient would now be treated for fever, he said. The man was suffering from fever and took treatment at a corporate hospital here, but was refused to state-run Gandhi Hospital. As per the WHO definition, he is not a suspected case for Ebola. Nigeria has already been declared as Ebola-free by WHO, Subhakar has said earlier in the day. Since the man traveled in a common flight with passengers from African countries, which had reported Ebola outbreak, would also travel. The sample process for testing to NCDC as a measure of caution, he said. The patient was put under isolation. NCB Chief Mr. Sharad Pawar was airlifted to Mumbai in an air ambulance on Wednesday after he fell down in a residence and suffered injuries to his hip and legs. He arrived at the domestic airport in Vileparle at around 11:20 a.m. Pawar was rushed to the Breach Candy Hospital at the Pulbai Desai Road on Wednesday, where he has been treated earlier for the health condition. He was flown in a King Air B200 ambulance that has room enough to hold a stretcher. Pawar was lying down on the stretcher throughout the journey and was visibly in pain. His leg was plastered, but he would not know the extent of injury as yet, according to our sources. Doctor at Breach Candy will decide the next course of treatment after a thorough examination, according to the sources. Airport authority made an exception by allowing the ambulance to land at the domestic airport instead of JO Aerodrome. Stayed updated on the go with the times of the day. In yet another incident that would bring the ruling Janata Dal United in Bihar to the same party, MLA, that is Mr. Shyam Bahadur Singh, is caught on camera on very more and time while dancing with the alleged bar girl. A disgusting report. The function was organized in his constituencies, that is Bhararis and Swan district. In this given video, the MLA is seen not only dancing but also indulging in vulgar acts. Controversies never seen to the Malin, the JDU MLA. In 2010, a video was shown on the TV channels in which Singh was seen dancing and giratting with alleged bar girls, while in 2012, he was again caught on camera while dancing with the girls in a marriage function. Singh has repeated his shameful act yet again. However, the party has warned Singh for his dirty dance in public, but it seems that Singh has decided to ignore such warnings and continues his dirty dance again and again. Yemeni security official says a massive car bomb blast was dropped unseen in the capital of Sana'a, apparently targeting the home ministry of Iranian ambassador. The Wednesday morning blast heavily damaged several buildings in the area. At least 2 people were killed, both security guard and the ambassador's residence, the official said. The fate of the ambassador himself is still uncertain. The official spoke on condition of anonymity because they are not authorized to brief the discussion. Let's have a look on today's sports news. Pakistan New Zealand dedicate T20 trophy to Hughes. Pakistan and New Zealand dedicated the trophy for the 2020 matches in Dubai starting on Thursday in memory of Australian batsman Phil Hughes, who died last week. Channel 9 TV gives a boat respect in funeral service, covering the widely watched funeral of late Philip Hughes. Channel 9 producers gave scene about his moment of space by deliberately keeping the camera away from the nude South Wales pacer while the proceeding went on live. Reception in India was phenomenal. Tiger Woods left pleasantly surprised with the warm reception he received in India earlier this year. American golfer Tiger Woods on Wednesday said the response to his maiden trip was nothing short of phenomenal. Snowball urged AIBA to take sympathetic view of Sarita, pleading with the International Boxing Association to revoke the suspension of imposed on boxer El Sarita David. Sports Minister, that is Sarbanand Sonowal, has written a letter to AIBA President Dr. Ching Kaw Wong requesting him to take a sympathetic view given to her humble background. India's Ravi in ICC panel of umpires from World Cup. Indian umpire S. Ravi was on Wednesday named in 25-member list of match officials for next year's ICC Oldies World Cup in Australia and New Zealand. Let's have a look on today's stock market. Sensex for today stand with 28,442.71, whereas Nifty for today stand with 8,537.65. Let's have a look on today's gold and silver rates as per Malabar Golds. According to Malabar Gold, today's gold rate, that is 3rd of December, Wednesday, are as follows. For 22 carats of gold for 10 grams, rupees 25,050, whereas for 24 carats of gold for 10 grams, rupees 26,490. Silver rates for today for 10 grams, rupees 360. Let's have a look on today's weather forecast of 6 regions of Telangana state. Hyderabad, minimum temperature 15 degrees Celsius and maximum 30 degrees Celsius. Karimnagar, minimum temperature 15 degrees Celsius and maximum 30 degrees Celsius. Nizamabad, minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius and maximum 30 degrees Celsius. Mehbubnagar, minimum temperature 17 degrees Celsius and maximum 30 degrees Celsius. Whereas today's minimum temperature of Meerut district has stand with 15 degrees Celsius and maximum 30 degrees Celsius. Headlines once again. KCR to take up aerial survey of Pharma City land today. Harish Rao's land Chandrababu Naidu. Hyderabad man who returned from Nigeria tests negative for Ebola. NCP chief Sharda Pawar injured rushed to Mumbai hospital. Dirty dance watch JD MLA Shyam Bahadur Singh vulgarity with a bar dancer. Car bomb blast near home of Iranian ambassador in Yemen. That's all in the newscast for today. Keep watching Real English News. This is your host Sharif Akram Yamani. Sign off for the day. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.